Susie, Abby.
And Papa.
So, hi, it's Abby. Today I have the hiccups and we're going to find different ways to cure them.
You can go ahead and Google. Okay.
First, I'm going to try holding my breath.
So did it work?
I don't know. Now we're going to try drinking a glass of water quickly.
Did it work?
No. Next is we're going to have somebody frightened. I don't think it worked.
Oh.
Now, it says to pull hard on your tongue will work. Ow. Ow. It's hard to hold your tongue.
Did it work?
No.
Oh no.
We could bite a lemon, but I'm not going to do that. Then we have gurgle water.
Gargle.
Gargle water. Didn't work.
Oh.
Now we're going to drink from the backside of the glass. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Cold, 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 cold. Cold, 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 cold. That one doesn't work. Cold. Wait. I did it! Now I'm going to place a spoonful of sugar on the back of my tongue. I'm scared. I don't know why.
Does it say a spoonful or half a spoonful?
Teaspoon.
A teaspoonful. Okay.
1/2 teaspoon.
Half. So just put a little bit less than that because you don't want too much. That'll be
Right?
perfect. Yeah.
I'm just gonna let it sit here. It's yummy.
Is it good?
I recommend this one.
Whether you have hiccups or not?
Yeah. They're really big. I need to get rid of them.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do a spoonful of peanut butter.
Did that work? You think that worked? Yay!
I recommend the sugar one.
Is it better than the peanut butter?
Because the peanut butter gets stuck on the roof of your mouth. Actually, I lost my hiccups halfway through this, but I just wanted to show you all the ways.
Oh, that was cool.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And comment any of your ideas for getting rid of hiccups. Bye.